Why are they falling in love with your solutions?
Well, it must be my personality. Couldn't be that. But
It could be. It could be.
no, I think we obviously, we meet their needs, right? We have
Mhm.
very good solutions that meet those customers' needs, and those needs really are what we've talked about: improving the productivity, systemizing the processes, things like that. But just as importantly, we have that end-to-end mindset, right? So yes, you can just buy the warehouse management, or just the production scheduling piece, or whatever little app solution you
Mhm.
want to fill that specific app that you're having issues with. But we have that end-to-end mentality where we'll take you from procurement all the way out to shipping with a seamlessly integrated suite of solutions. So
Mhm.
rather than getting your WMS from one person and your manufacturing stuff from somebody else and your planning from somebody else, you come to InsightWorks, and we can provide you that whole breadth of solutions. It's very focused on the specific things that are going to help make you money, right? And we say improve productivity. That's a bit of a euphemism for helping you make money, helping you improve your bottom line. So we're not focused on things that aren't, that are, kind of fluffy or whatever, that aren't going to, help improve that bottom line.